Daily PCB knowledge. Today we'll learn about SMT. SMT surface mount technology is the core assembly process in modern electronics manufacturing by directly mounting and soldering miniaturized surface mount components onto pads on the surface of printed circuit boards. It establishes electrical connections within circuits, replacing traditional through-hole technology. It has become a key enabler for miniaturization and high-density development in the electronics industry. Development. Its core manufacturing processes include solder paste printing, component placement, reflow soldering, inspection, and rework. SMT technology is widely applied in consumer electronics, industrial control, automotive electronics, medical devices, and other fields, serving as the core enabler for miniaturization and intelligentization of modern electronic products. As the foundational process of electronics manufacturing, SMT continuously empowers products, iterations, and upgrades, laying a solid foundation for the innovative development of the global electronics industry.